Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn about how to upload the React application on the GitHub pages using the GitHub Actions. We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's first of all, you have the React applications, right? So I am on the React applications, so I have installed this package. Okay, and let's try to make it git status. So there are two changes, so git add, git commit, shell commit, git push origin master. So here I need to put the token, just add it. Let's go and check the actions. So these two are running right now. Okay, meanwhile you have to go to the settings. So here you have to go to the pages. So here you have to deploy from the branch, so which branch you want to deploy and where. Okay, so make sure you have to update this one. After this, in the actions, in the journal, so this should be setting done by default artifacts. You can make it and make sure read and write permission should be there. Okay, save this. Let's go to the actions again and let's see. This is done, initial commit, and the pages.build is just running. This is also build is done. Okay, let's, you can deploy it. Okay, and here you can see it is not found because the site is configured at this address doesn't contain the requested file. If the site, make sure the file case matches the URL as well as the any file permissions. So make sure GitHub pages, you have to know. So I think this is the issue with the URL, but the build is done, and but just we have to check this one. Let me check this part. Okay, give me a 1 second. So basically I have done one of the mistake. I think here deploy from the branch. What I will do, let me explain first. So first of all, you have to just add the home page and you have to install that package in the front. I have told you. Then you have to add these two lines, that is deploy GitHub pages pre-deploy. Okay, after this we have to go to the pages in the settings sections, right? After doing this, you have to go select the branches, that is GitHub pages, and then you have to save this. Again, now it's gonna be redeploy again. Okay, if I go to the actions, right, so it's going to redeploy. Okay, and it will take small little bit time for this to be corrected. So once it deployed, it will available for the URL. Just give a second. Meanwhile, just go with the code what I have written down in the workflow. So here we have the workflow, right? So deploy the pages, branches should be the main trigger on the push to the main branch, then deploy on the Ubuntu latest, run on the Ubuntu server, then check out the code from the repository and install the node version, that is 18 dependency, then npm run build, deploy to the GitHub pages. So I'm using this package actions. Okay, so you have to use this with GitHub token and the push directory, that is build. Okay, very easy, very simple, right? Just make it. After this, the page is deployed and you will get this URL, and here you can see the file code base doesn't match, but the URL is updated. Just give me, go to the settings. Here we have the pages. So visit the site. So it says the site is configured at this address does not contain the requested github.technical rajni 90. If the site, make sure the URL matches as well as the file permissions. Okay, any permissions that I have make something. So let's check the permissions. Actions, journal, allow usable. Okay, this is 90 days. Read and write permissions. Save. I don't know how much it will take time to just refresh. because I have tried this one by this method it's automatically run, but I don't know why default workflow permissions saved. And anything else we have missed? Just give me one more second that I need to check. I will show. Hello friends, you can see that the React application is not working. What's the issue I have done in my workflow? So in my workflow here, what I missed is like here I have just mentioning the build folder. Exactly, it's making the dist folder, right? So I have just changed this one. Now it's working. Okay. So this is the issue. That means the issue is like it is not getting your file. Okay, index.html. So it is showing that page. So make sure index.html should be there in the correct location. So let's understand deploy to the GitHub pages of that workflow. So here you can see that deploy, and this is the full-fledged load deploy on the GitHub pages, right? With the help of this you are able to upload your, and make sure this is currently my dist folder, right? So make sure that whether when you try to create a build, whatever commands you are trying to run, whatever build is there, make sure you have path should be there so that it will work with the GitHub pages. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.